this is the Ga Home-Flavored stainless steel chicken rack. Let's find out what's in the box. Alright, so in the box you get one zip tray and one chicken leg / wing stand. Alright, so the rack stands up and will hold up to 14 chicken legs or 14 wings. So they lock into place, you pinch them, and they fold out. It's a little wobbly right now, but let's see what happens when we get our legs on. Alright, so I have put only 13 legs on the rack because that's what came in my family pack of chicken legs. So we're going to take them out to the grill and let's see how they come out. Alright, so here are the chicken legs off the grill. They were on for about an hour. And I say they came out pretty good. When you put the chicken legs on the rack, it stabilizes it. So enjoy your chicken legs.